The scene has been pretty serious, right? So थोड़ा हंसी मजाक किया जाए. Let's get some jokes into the place. Now, how many of you have traveled abroad? HR ने भेजा होगा. ठीक है, good. And how many of you have had people coming from abroad and staying with you for a few days? रह के गए, family members, friends. My family is here. They've come here from abroad. So this set is dedicated to them. My niece and nephew are here. My sister is here from abroad. सरदार नहीं है जी, बाल ही नहीं तो सरदार कैसे हो सकते? So the situation is that everybody, like across the world, we have this thing that India is its own place. Like it's a completely unique place. As India is a देश ही नहीं है. मतलब everybody believes this all over the world. It's gotten to a stage that they've given us an entire world to ourselves. Third world. Now, in this set, I want to explain how different India is from other countries. Right? Let's talk about platonic love. Like, how do you show affection? Love, caring, affection, all those things, how do you show? In most countries, it's hugs, kisses, chocolates, food, gifts, roses. But not in India. India में क्या करते हैं? Mangoes. Like my dad. If he likes you, mangoes. If he really likes you, that's my indication to my mom. Mango काट के लाओ. If he really, really, really likes you, तो खुद किचन जाएंगे, वो राइस कंटेनर से आम निकालेंगे, आके हॉल में समझाएंगे. This is the history of that mango. काट के रखेंगे, हाथ में देंगे. And if you don't show enough appreciation of that mango, he will look at you with such disappointment. कि मैंने क्या कर दिया इसको सपोर्ट करके, इसको लव करके. And आपके जाने के बाद, hey, that Abhishek, don't call him anymore, okay? He's useless. Basically, subtext is, he didn't like my mangoes. That's how we show affection, platonic love in India. Another thing, sex. There are 1.4 billion of us, right? Clearly, we know the ins and outs of sex. But we're very squeamish about it. कोई बात करने को तैयार ही नहीं. We're not acknowledging it. ऐसा होता ही नहीं है. Like हमारे दिमाग में चल रहा है कि we're all like Jesus Christ, immaculate conception. हमारे parents ने they cut off an arm, पानी में रख दिया, मनी प्लांट की तरह मुक गए वहां से. Right? That's how squeamish we are about sex. And you know how the perfect example of this? Our Prime Minister has declared that he's non-biological. He's like, I cannot be biological because that would mean my parents had sex. Non-biological. Let's talk a little about actual romantic love. India में अलग तरीके से मनाया जाता है romantic love. बाकी दुनिया में क्या कहते हैं? If you love something, let it go. If it comes back, it's yours. If it doesn't, it never was. सुना है ना? इंडिया में उल्टा है. It's the opposite in India. India में wives will stay hungry from dawn until moonrise. पानी भी नहीं पिएंगे ताकि तुम भाग के नहीं जा सकते. पकड़ के रखेंगे. Death, they keep pushing death back by 1 year. Every year fasting. नहीं जा सकते. This is romantic love in India. छोड़ेंगे ही नहीं. Now let's discuss how we wish each other. How differently we approach the idea of giving each other, good wishes and things like that. जीते रहो. Live a happy life. We'll dial it up a notch. जुग जुग जियो. कल की देखा ना? Each jug 6,000 years at least. So your well-wishers want you to be alive for 6,000 years at least. Jug jug matlab twice at least 12,000 years. And not just that, they'll put your spouse into that. सदा सुहागन रहो. तुम 12,000, तुम्हारी बीवी 12,000 और आगे. And if you don't like each other, too bad. My son, your problem. You deal with it. Finally, the most unique thing about India is how we approach toilets. In most parts of the world, toilets are a place of rest and recreation. You sit there, you scroll your phone, right? Instagram देखो, Reels देखो, TikTok देखो. Instagram से याद है. By the way, my Instagram is Abhay Sai. That's my Instagram. प्लीज अगर मिले तो मौका मिले तो फॉलो कर लेते. Yes, but toilet में I'll be looking back at you when you're scrolling. I'll be telling you jokes. But India में ऐसा नहीं है. India toilets are a place of torture. एक ब्लैक होल है जहाँ दुनिया ब्रह्मांड का सारा सामान जमा होता है. Soap, hairpin. The only thing we don't do is gloves पहन के हाथ डाल के निकालें. That's the only thing we don't do. That's good. I mean, you want to do it? Like, please, तो ऐसे बोल रहे हैं मैं हाथ जाने ही वाला था, मैं बोल रहे तो हाथ डाल देता अभी मैं. So, ladies and gentlemen, that's how different India is, and I want my niece and nephew to understand that the world they know is not the world within the geography of India. It's a completely different place, and hopefully they'll appreciate it the way it is right now, and not the way they want it to be. And with that, let me call the guy who can help us get through the next few sets, Abhilash.
Yeah.